Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page here, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your Instagram account is a creator or is a business account. So typically to do that, you want to open up the Instagram app, go to your profile at the bottom right here, and you want to go and click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go to the bottom section here and look for account type and tools under your insights and tools. And in here, click on switch to professional account, click on next, and just fill out all the necessary information. Let's go and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, that should switch your account into a professional one. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just, again, fill out this one, and you want to go and go back into your profile section. So just go and click on X at the top left here. So yeah, back to your profile, you want to go and click on Edit Profile at the left side here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and just scroll down a bit here. You should see profile information. It should say page. Now, you want to go and click on Connect or Create. Click on Continue. Now, from here, you want to log in into your Facebook account. Let's go and click on Log In Facebook. Now, from here, it's going to say review your account, Facebook account. You can go and just click on Continue or switch to Facebook account. For now, let's go and click on Continue. Now, from here, it's going to detect all the Facebook pages that is connected to your account right now. So if you're using one email address under your Instagram account and your pages, it should automatically detect your Facebook pages here, especially if it's connected to, let's just say, the account center inside Facebook or Meta. So yeah, in here, for example, I want to connect one of my pages. So I'm going to click on this one, click on Connect. Now, from here, it's going to start or initiate the process. It might take a while for them to fully connect your Facebook account and your Instagram account, so just wait for a while here. Again, it might take a while, so let's just wait for one. So once the connection process is complete, you may get a notification at the bottom of the screen that says your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. As you can see here now, if you go to page here inside my bio or in the edit profile page here, my page is now connected to my Instagram account. And that's about it. Now, the great thing about this one is you can use other tools inside for Facebook if you want to use ads or whatever. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.